stoked and excited to bring you the Work Sharp knife sharpener. This thing rocks and rolls, buddy. Let me tell you what, I've learned to love and use this thing. I've sharpened every knife in my house, and you can sharpen anything from lawnmower blades to your garden tools. I even sharpened my my pizza cutter. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a pretty thorough review of the Ken Onion Edition Work Sharp knife sharpener. The first thing that you'll notice is it is belt driven. It runs off of 3/4 inch wide by 12 inch Norton grinding belts, sanding belts, and they're real super easy to change out. First thing you want to do is turn your blade guide to that position, and on the back side you have some serrations where you can put your thumb, and it's spring loaded. You're just going to push it in and then just slide the belt off. Easy peasy. Now once you get the belt off, you can rotate this head assembly around like say. To remove the head assembly, you'll depress this detent back here and rotate the head backwards, and it'll slide right off. And all you have left in your hand is the motor, to where you can take this apart and clean it really good, because it does get grit and fine sandpaper dust, so you will have to clean that out. To remove the blade angle guide, you just give it a good pull, and it says in there that it's on there pretty good, so you'll have to pull it, and you're gonna want to definitely clean out the shavings and the fine dust in here, because if you don't, it's going to get compacted and it's going to be tough to reinstall. And it's good to go. The thumb lever on the back is the belt adjustment, tracking adjustment, and I'll show you how that works here. As you can tell, our belt is trying to ride off of the pulley just a little, so we're going to start the motor and we're going to move this adjustment until the belt is centered in the pulley. Just about like that. My neighbor behind me, he's building a pipe fence, and he's got his quickie saw cranked up, and I don't know, he runs that thing all the darn time. Cutting stuff. I don't know, cutting firewood with it, I think. I don't know. Alrighty guys, we got all the boring stuff out of the way, and let's go in the house and let's get busy sharpening. I want to show you guys what an edge this thing will make. When you open the box, it's going to come with an instruction manual, of course. Highly recommend going ahead and reading that. But also in the box it comes with this really good blade guide, and how sharp you want it, how dull the knife is, to how many strokes that you need to pull the knife through. For my applications, I'm not really sharpening super dull knives, so I went ahead and ordered some extra belts. These are the 5000 grit, and these are 800 grits. I'm going to do the unthinkable to one of my good kitchen knives. Don't do this at home. I'm going to take a blade sharpening steel, and I am going to cut that edge for this knife ain't going to cut butter. It's dull, dull, dull right now. Okay, we're going to slide on an 800 grit. Alright, so if you go to your blade guide, we're going to be sharpening a kitchen knife, and we're just going to follow it down. And how does your knife blade, how sharp is it? We're going to call it worthless. And so we're going to do our angle at 20. And I'm not going to start off with the 120 grit. I don't think it's that dull. So we're going to start with the X65, which is about an 800 grit, and then we're going to finish it off with the X22. We're going to turn the adjustment wheel to 20 degrees right there. Now what you want to do, you don't want to start this thing up and then start pulling your knife through. You're going to round the edge of your point of your knife off, and you're going to grind off too much of your heel. So what you want to do is you want to set the knife into the machine with your blade guide out. You want to set the knife in, and whenever you draw it through, you want to stop the motor when the blade is halfway through your 3/4 inch belt. So let me do that a couple times and let me show you how to do it. So you want the motor to stop at the point of the knife. You don't want to pull it all the way through because you could round that off. So it says we're going to do it 4 times. At this point right here, this is what the blade, the Work Sharp Sharpening Company, they consider this what they call toothy sharp. It's sharp, but as you can tell, it still wants to grab just a little bit, but it's still shaving paper just fine. That's perfect for a kitchen knife. But however, you can go farther by changing out your belts. We're going to go to the 5000 grit and see if we can't get this knife to shave. Alrighty, so we got our 5000 grit in. Put our blade guide down. Let it click in. Should have no problem just shaving paper with it now. We'll pull you in just a little bit closer. And that will shave, buddy. Go ahead and sharpen my my pizza rocker. Has been needing sharpened for a long time. Something like this type of blade, you don't want it razor sharp because you're going to be pushing down and rocking it on normally a metal pan. But just to give you an idea, and it will cut paper. And that is plenty sharp for a pizza rocker. Guys, here is the best part of this video. Somebody, one lucky grand prize winner, is going to win a brand new Work Sharp Sharpener. I can't wait to get this sent out. Alrighty guys, it's time to give this thing away. In 2 weeks I'm gonna do a drawing, but here's what you're gonna have to do. On my other channel, Life on Fountain Hill, and I'm going to put a link in the description below. Click on that link and go to that channel, go to my channel, Life on Fountain Hill, and you're going to click on the giveaway video that I have posted on that channel. That channel is going to be, I'm going to be giving away a $100 Visa gift card. So you can win twice on this video. But also, going to be 2 more winners. You're going to win the gear wrench set. Really cool, robust little pocket wrench set. My go-to when I'm working on Chevrolet distributors where you can't get behind the firewall to get the distributor cap off. That's the one. But knife sharpener, tool set, and the $100 gift card. Here are the rules. You have to be a subscriber to both channels. Go to this channel and subscribe and comment on this video. Go to Life on Fountain Hill, subscribe to that channel and comment on the giveaway video for the $100 gift card. I'm also going to be giving away some apparel on Life on Fountain Hill and the More Medic One. I'm going to be giving away 1 shirt per channel. But anyway, guys, this is epic, and I hope everybody has a very Merry Christmas, and I'm really excited about this, and we'll see you guys on the next video.